Let's get to Sam Stovall because we're talking Fed, jobs, politics, and, of course, people's money. Look, here we are, Sam, looking at what we see is some real weakness now in this final hour of trade. It doesn't look positive for February, at least for the S&P and the NASDAQ. Why not? Where's the struggle here?
Well, I think investors are trying to figure out whether the rally that we've seen over the last couple of weeks is the beginning of a new longer-term upward trend, or really just a head fake, a counter-trend rally, or even a rally within an overall bear market. So I think that 1950 level is very important, but it's like a rusty door. You're not going to get it open on the first try.
Oh, I like that analogy, but man, somebody bring in the WD-40 because we're having some real trouble here with these markets. All red on the screen. I want to quickly get to where you feel there's an opportunity right now with so much of a cloudy horizon.
Well, our belief is that you still have some opportunities for technology, consumer discretionary, and also, believe it or not, for healthcare. Even though the last report on that Canadian pharmaceutical company, also both sides of the political spectrum talking about making changes to healthcare. Let's face it, we've had a record number of, or I should say, highest number of new entities approved by the FDA in the last 20 years last year, and that track record we think will be eclipsed this year. So you get a company to come out with a really good blockbuster drug, and I think everybody's going to be looking at healthcare favorably once again.
Sam, you just talked about track records. You've got a great track record of seeing how markets move on all different pieces of news. This election battle that's going on has gotten extremely ugly. Is there any way that maybe hurts the markets at all?
Well, usually in the year in which the sitting president either chooses not to run for re-election or is not allowed to run for re-election, actually the market's down on average during that calendar year. So we're all sort of under a dark cloud to begin with, and with such a contentious primary as well as potential for the election, you know, I think it can only get more rancorous as we go forward.
Sam Stovall, great to see you over at S&P IQ Capital. We appreciate it very much.